Understanding brain function, how your mind affects your health. Have you ever wondered why you feel tired after thinking hard, or why stress can make you feel sick? As a chiropractor, I often see how the brain affects the whole body. Today, we're going to explore how different parts of your brain can influence your health, especially your blood sugar levels. The brain-body connection. Your brain is like the boss of your body. It controls everything from your thoughts and movements to how your body uses energy. When your brain is healthy, your body usually works well too. But when there are problems in your brain, it can affect your whole body. How brain health affects blood sugar. One surprising way your brain health can affect your body is through your blood sugar levels. Here's how. Damaged brain cells need more energy. When brain cells are damaged, maybe from injury or illness, they need more energy to work. The energy comes from the sugar in your blood. If many brain cells are damaged, they might use up a lot of sugar, which can make your blood sugar levels drop. Problems in specific areas of the brain. Different parts of your brain have different jobs. When certain areas have problems, it can affect your blood sugar. The hypothalamus helps control hormones that affect blood sugar. The cerebellum helps with balance and coordination, but also plays a role in blood sugar control. The basal ganglia helps control movement and can influence blood sugar levels. The medial temporal lobe, which includes the hippocampus, can affect memory and blood sugar. Autoimmune issues. Sometimes your immune system can mistakenly attack parts of your body, including your brain or the cells that control blood sugar. This can lead to problems with blood sugar control. Signs your brain may be affecting your blood sugar. Here are some signs that your brain health may be affecting your blood sugar. You feel shaky, moody, or confused when you haven't eaten in a while. You have trouble with balance or coordination. You have memory problems or feel depressed. You have trouble controlling your movements. Your blood sugar levels change a lot, even when you're eating normally. If you notice these signs, it's important to talk to a healthcare provider. They can help you figure out what's going on and discern how to help. The role of diet and exercise. What you eat and how much you move can have a big impact on both your brain health and your blood sugar levels. Here are some tips. Eat a balanced diet with lots of vegetables. Get regular exercise. It's good for your brain and helps control blood sugar. Try to reduce stress. Stress can affect both your brain and your blood sugar. How chiropractic care can help. I often work with patients to improve their overall health, including brain function. While chiropractic care isn't a direct treatment for blood sugar issues, it can help in several ways. It can help by improving nervous system function. Chiropractic adjustments can help ensure your nervous system, which includes your brain, is working well. It can reduce stress, reducing physical stress on your body, which can help with overall health. Supporting overall health by improving spinal health and body function, chiropractic care can support your body's natural healing processes. Providing lifestyle advice. Chiropractors can offer advice on diet, exercise, and stress management that can support both brain health and blood sugar control. Understanding different parts of the brain. To better understand how your brain affects your health, let's look at some specific parts of the brain. The cerebellum. The cerebellum is like the body's balance center. It helps coordinate your movements and plays a role in things like coordination, balance, fine motor skills, and some cognitive functions. When there are problems with the cerebellum, it can affect not just movement, but also things like blood sugar control and even mood. The basal ganglia. The basal ganglia are a group of structures deep in the brain. They help with movement control, learning, executive functions like planning and decision making. Problems in the basal ganglia can lead to movement disorders and can also affect things like mood and blood sugar control. The medial temporal lobe. This part of the brain includes the hippocampus, which is important for memory. The medial temporal lobe is involved in memory formation, emotion, processing sensory input. Issues in this area can lead to memory problems and can also affect things like mood and blood sugar regulation. The importance of a holistic approach. When it comes to brain health and its effects on the body, it's important to look at the whole picture. This means considering diet, what you eat affects both your brain and your blood sugar. Exercise, regular physical activity is good for your brain and helps control blood sugar. Sleep, good sleep is crucial for brain health and overall well-being. Stress management, chronic stress can negatively affect both brain function and blood sugar control. Regular checkups, regular visits to healthcare providers, including chiropractors, can help catch and address issues early. Remember, everything in your body is connected. What's good for your brain is often good for the rest of your body too. Your brain, your health. Understanding how your brain affects overall health, including your blood sugar levels, can be a powerful tool in taking charge of your well-being. By taking care of your brain through good nutrition, regular exercise, stress management, and appropriate healthcare, you're also taking care of your whole body. I'm passionate about helping people understand the connection between different parts of their health. While the brain-body connection can seem complicated, remember that small positive changes can add up to big improvements in how you feel. Whether it's through improving your diet, getting more exercise, managing stress better, or seeking chiropractic care to support your nervous system, there are many ways to support both your brain health and your overall well-being. You're the expert on how you feel. If you notice changes in your health, energy levels, or mood, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare provider. Your brain and body will thank you for it.